Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change your PIN code and two-step verification on WhatsApp. This process ensures your account remains secure, giving you peace of mind. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the 3 vertical dots. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, from the menu, select Settings. Now, within the Settings menu, tap on Account. This is where you'll find all security-related options for your WhatsApp account. Once you're in the Account section, locate and tap on Two-Step Verification. If you've already enabled this feature, you'll see several options here. To proceed with changing your PIN, tap on Change PIN. Now, it's time to set your new PIN. Enter a 6-digit PIN of your choice. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. After entering it once, you'll be prompted to confirm the same 6-digit PIN again. This step ensures there are no errors in your new code. Once you've confirmed your new PIN, tap Save. And that's it. Your new two-step verification PIN is now active. Remember to keep this PIN private and avoid sharing it with anyone. Regularly updating your PIN is a great habit to maintain the security of your WhatsApp account. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Stay safe and secure.